Hi ladies, it's time to enjoy the perfect feeling on your face. Well, I'm gonna share with you these two masks for face. These masks help in the installation of medicines needed to treat and get rid of acne and treat blackheads in the skin and face. Helps protect the skin and rid it of dead cells. And treat burns on the skin like sunburn. Hide dark circles, remove wrinkles and delay signs of aging. Unify the skin color on the face, neck and body. Helps treat various skin problems and pimples and restore vitality to the skin. So, let's get started with the first recipe. The yeast and rose water face mask. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of yeast and 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix them together well. Before you apply mask, wash your face with warm water. Then put the mixture on the skin for about 25 minutes. Then wash your face with normal water. Repeat this mask twice a month. Now, let's move to the second recipe. All we need is 1 teaspoon of yeast and 2 teaspoons of milk. Mix well and apply to the face and avoid the lips and eye areas. Leave the mask dry. This can take about 25 minutes. Then it's dry, it can be removed by making small circular movements with the fingertips. Afterwards, the skin should be washed with normal water. If your skin has a good reaction to this mask, you may use it twice per month. I hope it helps you to give your skin a better appearance and feel the happiness that I feel when using it. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching.